All right, and so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their folding wireless charger. This is the FD308, just FD308 on the top and bottom, just the sticker on this side, wireless charger 3-in-1 for AirPods, Apple Watch, iPhones, etc. And then convenient and compact, 240-degree fold at will. And then here's a little bit of the info on it. For example, 3-in-1 folding wireless charger. The headphones will put out 3 watts. Mobile phone will put out 15, 10, 7.5, and 5, depending on what your phone supports. The watch output's only 2 watts, and 0.8 millimeters is the distance. Let's open this up and take a look at it and try it real quick. See what it looks like here. Very nice. Top slide off. There we go. Oh wow, that must be the actual thing. Okay, hold on. Let's get to the rest of it. Well, this is another box, and so we got 2 boxes inside of a box. Gotcha. And so inside of this box is, what do we got in here? Oh, this is our cable. Nice. Nothing else in there. So this is an included, please always take your plastic off, power brick. Very nice. Love the orange. And then an included USB-C cable from USB-A, of course. Love the purple in it. This is about 2 feet of cable, I would say. And then wouldn't be complete without a little user's guide. And then over here, this is what we're really here for. So this is the actual, that folding charger. Look at that, 3-in-1 fast charge. Your USB-C port is here. More info on the back, the FD308. That same input and output information. And it's all just kind of magnetic. So like that's for your watch. And then when you fold this on open, this is for your AirPods or your headphones. And this is for your phone. So let's plug this up real quick. We will take our USB-C cable and plug into here. Set this down here, and then we'll of course plug our purple into our orange here, and then just plug this into the wall. Now we gotta go get 3 devices to charge. Take our phone, put our phone on it, and look at that, phone is charging. Then we can try some earbuds. Put your earbuds on the charging pad, and earbuds are charging, and the phone is still charging wirelessly. Now let's put a watch on it. And then you can take your watch and bada bing, your watch is charging. So now I'm able to charge all 3 of these devices, my phone, my watch, and my earbuds, all with 1 cable. So thanks again to this company for sending these to me. Thank you all for watching this unboxing and demonstration. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.